This is a microcontroller. This is an IMU. And this is a battery. But IMUs are so last week. We're going to replace them with AI. But first we got to figure out how to get this stupid stuff in here. Hold on. I think this will work. Got it. So here's the plan. First, we're going to have a tracker, and this tracker is going to connect up to the cloud. This cloud is going to have AI. So, the tracker is going to connect to the cloud and talk to the AI. And then the AI is going to send the predicted tracking data back to the tracker. And then here we will have a PC. And the tracker will send that data back to the PC where SlimeVR is. So first, we have to tell the AI to guess what our tracking is supposed to be and to not make any mistakes whatsoever. That way the tracking will be absolutely perfect. AI has trained on the entire internet from what I know, so it should be able to predict the past, present, and future of what I'm going to do. But now, we just gotta tweak this prompt here, and then, yeah, now we gotta wait for it to spout all this bullshit about whatever the fuck. Okay, now it's finally generating what we want. So we're gonna open up SlimeVR server, and if everything goes to plan, which it definitely will go to plan, we are going to see absolutely perfect tracking without an IMU present. And I know this is going to work because I told the AI not to make any mistakes. So now we're just calibrating. And it is perfect. Everything is working exactly as it should. See? I told you it was doing exactly what it should. It's tracking very accurately, according to this video. So, yeah. And also here's the tracker with the debug preview, you know? So, yeah. Now, some of you might be concerned about the amount of space or compute, or maybe even the amount of water this project uses to run. And I'm happy to say that I've only had to buy one case of water so far.